Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Valletta, Malta, and this weekend is Flower Weekend. So they're having a flower celebration, and so you can see all the flowers behind me and everything else. It's going to be a big celebration. You can see them testing the lights. They're going to have booths, but the whole city, I guess, is going to be decked out in flowers and roses and all sorts of different things and stuff. So the guy said it's going to be a big deal. So I'll see if I can get some more pictures and more videos for you. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye. All right, so this weekend is Flower Celebration Week. So they're having a, I guess the whole town of Valletta is having a flower celebration. So you can see them getting set up for the whole thing, and they're gonna have a big thing out here, but it's gonna be all over the city, and it's gonna be taking place at night. You can see the lights up here and the lights over here, and they're gonna do this big thing on flowers. And these booths are handing out packets of flowers and giving to people so they can plant them. But tell me that's not incredible. That is just stupendous. The color is so orange. You know, it just is amazing, and I can't wait. It looks like they're going to bring more flowers in here and make more designs all over the place. And so the place should be pretty spectacular when it's all done. I mean, it's really cool, and I'm looking forward to it. And it's right in front of the palace too, which is outstanding. So very cool. Can't tell me that's not amazing. So I can't wait to walk around the rest of the city and see what's happening. You go, Valletta. Very cool. Bye everybody.